where's my queen at? 15 minutes? Hey, y'all need to speed the fuck up. You know I got your location. Do you need me to come get you right now? Because stay on the phone. Stay on the phone until you get here. I don't even like all that Uber and shit, for real. Matter of fact, what color is the car? What type of car y'all in? I'm coming to get you. Calm down. Well, hurry up then, because I'm missing you, and I miss touching on your skin and rubbing you and smelling that good, beautiful vanilla bean on you. Hurry up before I get mad.